In this video, I'm going to talk about the before after of a clinic website that we have done recently, and I will also talk about what are the things that is necessary to have in your website to get more conversion from the website. Clinic name was Skin Needs, and the website URL is skinneeds.com. So this is the website URL, and I'm also going to walk you through the website, but let's first see how the clinic was looking previously. So this was her website. This was a square website that she has, and this is how it was looking. You can see it yourself. It was not that modern, it was outdated, and it doesn't have any clear call to action button in the hero section. She had one button here, but the color as well looks very dull. She has added some of the treatments, like 7 treatment here, but not any information about the treatment. And there are 2 or 3 things that you need to make sure that you are adding in your website so that you get more conversion, people trust you more. She had their Instagram as well linked. She had one contact us form, and then she have added the time, and then that's it. That was all about her website. And she had added some of the things like about us and all, but those all were not that good as it could be. And this is how the clinic looks now. So I have added the hero section, a clear hero section, and some buttons as well. And also, before doing website, I had to redo her logo, because you can see how it was looking previously, this. So I have come up with 2 versions. The first one is in black and the second one is in this color, which is her theme color. So we had stick with this one, and in all of the website we had used this one as well. So this is how the website looks. I have added her 3 treatments. Also the approach that she uses, this is her photo so that people can see who is the practitioner I'm going to for my treatment. Also I have added this reviews of the customers, then frequently asked question, then a button, and then this footer. Now let me walk you through the website, skinneads.com. So this is how the website looks. You can see it yourself. I have added this video here, and also you will be able to see one booking button here. In most of the places I have added the buttons. So before walking you through this website, let me tell you the 3 things that you need to make sure that your website is high converting. But the first one is whether you are getting the traffic or not, whether they are converting into the customer or not if they are visiting your website. The third one is whether your website is able to make the trust in the customer or not. So to make sure that we are achieving all of the things, I'm going to walk you through this website. You can see this logo that we had updated. The first one is conversion. In this section only, which some people call it as hero section, some people call it as above the fold. So here only we had added a clear heading and also a subheading following the heading, and a call to action button which is book your consultation. In this section you don't need too many buttons, you need one action that a customer have to take, which is to book the appointments. In this case we had also added her pay over time, pay later options, and you will be able to see it here. After that, we had added a little text about how she does, the reviews that she had, and also the problem that a customer of esthetician face. And after that, we had added this treatment section and categorized it in 3 sections. The first one is skin treatment, body and wellness treatment, skin and hair treatment. This was the three treatment categories that she had. After that, we had added a approach that she used, and also a little text about her, like she is an licensed aesthetic instructor, so she teaches the students as well. After that, you can see we have added her image so that people can see the practitioner that I have told you already. She had more than 6 years of experience. She have treated over 400 plus treatment. After that, this is the review section and this photo section, and then again a call to action button so that people can book. After that, this newsletter section where people can subscribe to their newsletter. So if they have any new offer coming in, they can shoot an email in once to all of the uh, newsletter emails that she have. After that, you will be able to see here, this is AI agent that we have built so that people can ask question anytime. So if they will ask any question right now, it will be able to answer it, like what are the treatments that she does, what is the benefit of any specific treatment. These all can be answered via this AI agent that we have built. After this, you will be able to go to about us section, and you can see the image that we have added for her clinic so that people can see, yeah, this is the place where I have to go to. After that, a little text about her clinic, and then again a little text about her, and then this is the most important section. People can see the before after of how it looks once they will do the treatment. And also, this is her clinic room that I have told you already in my previous video, that what you need to do in your website so that your website doesn't look outdated and people trust you. And here is again the 4 high performing treatment of her. After that, we will go to the treatment section, and this is important section as well. And once you will go to this treatment section, and once you will click on any of the button, then you will be able to see a little text about the treatment, how much time it takes, what is the price point where it starts from, what is the downtime of this treatment. After that, you will be also able to see a little text about what to expect after having this treatment, who is it for, and also who can benefit from this treatment and treatment areas. For this one, she had only a scalp rejuvenation, so we have added that one as well. And in each of the specific treatment pages, you will have this book appointment button, which will take the customer directly to this treatment page only, so that they can book directly without having to click on too many buttons. After that, she offer courses as well, so I have added the courses here, like book your spot, a little text about her, and then a contact us button which will take them to the contact us. After that, I have added all of the courses that she offer, reviews about the courses, and also one more call to action button. Then I have linked the gift card that she offers, and also the products that she has. So she have some products as well, and I have added them here. I have updated this image as well. It was not looking that good previously, but I have done a little tweak using the Photoshop and make this image look more good. Then she have one platform that she uses, and then her best seller products, I have added them all here, and people can buy this product directly by clicking on any of the product. After that, this is the contact us page where people can locate her via location and also fill the form if they have any question. If they want, they can text her directly. I have added the button here. After that, you will be able to see here, I have added the payment plan that I have told you already. Added a page of the payment plan that you can see, which she offer for pay later. So this was a quick rundown of this clinic website that I have done. She is located in Manhattan, USA, and this is her place. So if you know her, if you are nearby her, go meet her, and that is it. So if you find this video useful, and if you want us to build the website like this for you, then get in touch with us, and then we will make sure that you will get a website like this as well. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.